Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the hamstring leg curl exercise. This is a great exercise for the hammies, especially if you're struggling to get the form right on an RDL or something like that. It's nice and straightforward. It takes all of the difficulties with form when trying to get into the hamstrings away. There are a few things you need to be aware of when working on one of these machines, and me and my friend Jasmine take you through that in this tutorial video. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for being here, and that video is coming up right now. This is a hamstring exercise, so it works the upper back of the leg and a little bit on the glutes. Yeah, that's it really. Now it's similar to the leg extension in that there's a roll at the back, which you can see just here, and you want to make sure that's right on your heels, like this part of your heel. Yeah, you don't want it right on the end of the foot. You want it kind of like almost above the heel, kind of on your Achilles almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, where the kind of leg runs into the top of the heel. Excellent. Then all we're going to do, again, what do we do when we're on a machine?
Checking the resistance.
And you also want to check that the distance at the back is correct for you. As you can see here, Jasmine has got it in the right position for her legs. Now, if it's not in the right position for her legs, up here is a pulley thing that you pull out again, and it will change the angle of this leg roll. Again, just play around with that, and you'll be able to figure out exactly where the right position for your body is as you do this, because every body is different, and every body is different. That's one of my catchphrases. Do you like it?
Catchy.
Thank you. Excellent. So now what we're going to do, big deep breath in, and you just lift the bar towards your bum, basically. And as you do that, you're going to pull through your hamstrings and squeeze those to allow the motion to happen. Similar to chest press, where I say squeeze the chest and allow the arms to follow. Here you're going to squeeze the hamstring and allow the heels and the feet to follow. Good. Now, one thing you'll notice with people who do this is they might raise up a lot through the hips. The hips might come up, and then when that happens is like so, thank you Jasmine, is we're going to be taking the pressure into the lower back, which is obviously something that I would suggest is best avoided. It would be far, far better for us to make sure that you are not doing that. And so just be conscious of that for me. Just think, hang on, my hips are coming up, my hips are constantly coming up. Just try and reset them, push them down into the bench, and just try and focus on pulling the hamstring. Don't try and focus on pulling with the back. Anything to add?
No.
One thing we didn't mention is there's two little handles here at the front as well, which you can grab just to help you build that tension as you do the exercise, and to help you do the exercise with control. Excellent.
Perfect.
I think that's it.
Done and dusted.